not solutions. Add-on desired.
Welcome back to the Max class today. So in the 8th class standard, the first chapter is rational numbers. Okay, so already we learn in the 7th standard of fraction, decimals and rational number. In there you have only this definition or 1 or 2 problems, that's it. But now here whole chapter is completely of rational numbers. Okay, so in this rational numbers, first you see the definition of it. The numbers which are expressing in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers. What? P and q are integers. Means it looks like fractions, but we can't say it is a fraction, it is a rational number because it looks like p by q, means fraction number, but where in the numerator and denominator the values are should be integers. Integers means what? Minus numbers or negative numbers or positive numbers, but in denominator only 0, it should not be there. Okay, if it is there, then it is not a rational number. See, the number which are expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, I mean the denominator value should not be a 0, just 0 it should not be. It can be other any number like 20, 10 like that, but single 0 is not acceptable. For example, 2 by 3, it is a rational number. Minus 5 by 4, it is also a rational number. Why? Because here clearly mentioned that p and q are integers. So integers means it should be a negative numbers or positive numbers. Any numbers it can be. Okay. So here also negative numbers. But q is not equal to 0, means in denominator it should not be a 0. If it is 0, then it is not a rational number. Are called rational numbers. The other name of a rational number is quotient number. Why? Actually the rational number will denoted with capital Q. Why? Because in rational number the starting letter is what? Capital R. So we can denote with capital R, but it's not. Why? Because when you're doing of this rational number, it what? 2 by 3. It means the 2 is dividing with 3. When you're dividing 2 with 3, what the answer will get? The answer part what we call quotient. Yes or not? Suppose 2 by 4 is there. If you divide 2 and 4, 2 2s are 4. This is called remainder. So what is this part we call? Quotient. So quotient is starting letter is capital Q. That's why rational number is denoted with capital Q. Understand? So once again I'm telling to you, the rational number means it should be looks like a p by q form, like fraction number, and where p and q, where in denominator and numerator should be a integer numbers, and q is not equal to 0, means denominator number should not be a 0, only 0 it should not acceptable. Other than suppose 5 by 60 you can take, means here only 0 is not there, with 0 another number also is there. Okay, next, so some properties are there. Properties of rational numbers: closure property, commutative property and distributive property, addition inverse and multiplicative inverse. These 5 properties are we are going to be used in this chapter. First we'll discuss about the closure property. So the closure property, you should take of 4 fundamental operations like of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Total 4 fundamental operations you have to use. Okay ma? So first we'll already we discussed in 7th. Yes, in 7th class you learn of whole numbers. Okay, here we are discussing of rational numbers. Closure property standard form is what? When you're adding what type of numbers you're adding there, the same type answer only you should get. For example, natural number you take or whole number only you take it. Whole numbers I'm adding. So suppose a plus b equal to c. This is a standard form for closure. Under addition, if I keep minus means it closure property under subtraction. If I keep into means closure property under multiplication, like a minus b equal to c. This is under subtraction, this is under addition, and a into b equal to c. This is under multiplication, and a divide C equals to, this is under division. So for 4 fundamentals operations are there. Here what is saying that if you taking any two whole numbers, what are the whole numbers you are taking for adding? After adding, the answer should be a whole number only. Example, 3 plus 5. 3 is a whole number and 5 is also a whole number. After adding those two, I should get whole number only. 3 plus 5, 8. So it is satisfied or not? Yes. So the closure property under addition, whole number will satisfy. Okay. Same like in rational number also you should find like that. So here you have to take any two rational numbers. Suppose a equal to 2 by 5 and b equals to 3 by 4. Okay. Now what is asking? First we will do addition. A plus b equal to C. 2 by 5 is a rational number, as well B is also a rational number. After adding of those two rational numbers, the answer you should get rational number only. Like 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. How much you'll get? Cross multiplication, 2 into 4 plus 3 into 5 by 5 into 4. 2 4s 8, 8 plus 3 5s are 15 by 5 4s are 20. 23 by 20. So 23 by 20 is a what type of number it is? Rational number. Yes, it both are integers only. So this answer is correct. So addition is satisfied. Next, subtraction. A minus b equal to C. 2 by 5 minus 3 by 4. 2 into 4 minus 3 into 5 by 5 into 4. 2 4 is 8 minus 3 5 is 15 by 5 4 is 20. 5 by 20. 1 by 4. Anyway, after solving it, you will getting of this much, 7. 7 by 20. 7 by 20. So 7 by 20 is a rational number or not? Yes. So it is satisfied for subtraction also. Next, multiplication. 2 by 5 A into B equal to C. So 2 by 5 into 3 by 4. 2 3s are 6, 5 4s are 20. 2 3s are 2 10s are 3 by 10. 3 by 10 is a rational number. So 2 by 5 is a rational number. 3 by 4 is also a rational number. After multiplying of those two numbers, I got rational number only. Okay, satisfied. Next, division. A divides B equal to C. 2 by 5 divides 3 by 4. So 2 by 5 into 4 by 3. 2 4s are 8, 5 3s are 10. So you will get 2 4s are 2 5s are 4 by 5 is the answer. Division also satisfied, but some case it not satisfy. Okay, so closure property means what type of number you are adding there, the same type answer you should get. Suppose you are adding two whole numbers, then answer should also get whole number only. If you do multiplication also same like that. Understand ma? This is of closure property. Next, commutative property. The stand here also you should take 4 fundamental operations plus, minus, in multiplication and division. Okay, so standard form is this: a plus b equal to b plus a. Means I'm not changing the value, I'm keeping the value same, but the position is changing there. In the left side, the first value, the value whatever you are taking as first, in right side becomes the second value. For example, 2 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 2. 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 2 5. So both sides you are getting same answer, but the position was different. Okay, the values are same, but the changing of that position. So understand here only now. So say in left side and right side you should get same answer. If you change the position also, you should get same value. Then only it will satisfy. Understand? So we'll take the rational numbers first. Let us take a equals to 2 by 5 and b equals to minus 3 by 4. So first I am doing of addition. 2 by 5 plus of minus 3 by 4 equal to minus 3 by 4 plus 2 by 5. Same numbers, but I change the position of those two numbers. Okay, so 2 by 5 plus minus 3 by 4 equal to minus 3 by 4 plus 2 by 5. Just change the position. Okay, ma? So addition of cross multiplication, 2 into 4 plus into minus minus 3 into 5 by 5 into 4 equals to minus 3 into 5 plus 2 into 4 and 4 into 5. 2 4s 8 minus 3 5s 15 by 5 4s 20. 3 5s 15 plus 2 4s 8 by 20. So minus 7 by 20 minus 7 by 20. So both sides you got same answer. Understand? So both sides you got the same answer here. So both sides you got 7 by 20 equal to 7 by 20. So the answer is over. So both sides you got same. So in community property, the rational number will satisfy under addition. Okay. So addition is satisfied. Next, subtraction. 2 by a minus b equal to b minus a. A minus b equal to b minus a. So 2 by 5 minus of minus 3 by 4. Already in the question only you have minus, and this symbolic form also you have minus, equals to minus 3 by 4 minus 2 by 5. 2 into 4 minus into minus plus 5 into 3 by 5 into 4 equals to minus 3 into 5 minus 2 into 4 and 4 into 5. 2 4 is 8 plus 5 3 is 15 by 5 4 is 20 equals to minus 3 5 is 15 minus 15 minus 2 4 is 8 by 4 5 is 20. 8 plus 15 23. 23 by 20 minus 23 by 20. Is this two are same? No. No, these two are not same, because in left side you have in plus, in right side it was in negative. So both are not same. Okay, ma? Understand? So this not satisfy under subtraction. Next, multiplication. Multiplication, a into b equals to b into a. 2 into 5 into minus 3 by 4 equal to minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 5. Minus 6 by 20 minus 6 by 20. So both sides you got same answer. So it is satisfied under multiplication. Division. Next, we'll check the division now. A divides b equals to b divides a. 2 by 5 divides minus 3 by 4 equal to minus 3 by 4 divides 2 by 5. 2 by 5 into minus 4 by 3 minus 3 by 4 into 5 by 4 minus 8 by 15 minus 15 by 16, sorry 15 by, here 2 will, so these two are equal? No, not at all. So it is not satisfied under division. So now just see the tabular column. Rational number, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So for community property, addition is S, subtraction no, and multiplication yes, and division also no. Okay, we did off this 4 properties. Understand up to here? Okay.
Add-on solutions. Add-on